Solidness of contact in the game of golf is huge. The issue we're going to talk about is hitting it off the toe. If you're striking your shots off the toe of the club, there's a couple things that are going on, and I'm going to show you how to use your Saber to fix those. All right, so I'm going to go from a down the line view here. What you're going to do is take your Saber, put it right back across your shoulders. As you make a backswing, I want you to check yourself in this position in the mirror. Your body should be on this angle in the backswing, and it's probably very used to being here. The issue that you're having, however, is as you move into the follow-through, your posture is not staying here and you're coming up. So what I want you to do is work on mirror work at home. You can do this in your bathroom or find a standing mirror. And what I want you to do is work on getting back to the same backswing position here and then really holding your posture all the way to this position. This is key for you. When I coach my students, I have them to look at the world sideways when they're done. If you're coming through and coming up out of posture and coming up too early, what's going to happen is that club is going to come inward closer to you because your posture backs away. That's going to cause the ball to strike out off the toe of the club. So posture is very important in striking the ball in the center of the club face. So what I want you to do is work on getting that rotation. I call this the spin, working back and forth, spinning and holding your posture, checking yourself in the mirror and giving yourself a chance to really sustain that posture. Getting good flexibility in your lower back and your hips is going to be key for you holding that position right at impact. So hopefully this exercise with the Saber will really help you strike it more solidly.